Best humidifiers. Top picks for ultimate comfort and heal. Choosing the right humidifier is important for maintaining healthy air quality. These devices add moisture to the air, preventing dryness that can cause irritation in many parts of the body. They help alleviate symptoms of dry skin, sore throats, and sinus congestion. List number: Levoit Superior 6000 Smart Evaporative Humidifiers for Home or House. Up to 3,000 feet squared. Quiet sleep mode lets you rest peacefully, while wheels make moving it easy. The foldable storage design saves space when not in use, and the water fill hose simplifies maintenance. Premium filters keep the air fresh and clean, enhancing your indoor environment. Advantages: covers large spaces up to 3,000 feet squared with ease, perfect for homes. Holds 6 gallons, provides up to 72 hours of humidity. Features quiet sleep mode, ensures restful nights without noise. List number: Aprilaire 500M Whole House Humidifier. Easy to install, it offers manual control for personalized settings. Enjoy improved air quality and a healthier living environment. The sleek white design blends seamlessly with your home's decor, perfect for maintaining optimal humidity levels year-round. Advantages: efficiently humidifies homes up to 3,600 square feet. Ideal for large spaces. Manual control offers precise humidity levels. Tailor your comfort easily. Compact design fits seamlessly with existing furnace systems. Saves space. List number: 19-liter 5-gallon large humidifiers for bedroom, 2,800 square feet. The Auto 180-degree mist tube efficiently distributes moisture across your home, office, or commercial space. Ideal for nurturing plants and maintaining a comfortable environment in schools and whole houses. Advantages: experience improved air quality with the 19-liter 5-gallon large humidifier. Designed for spaces up to 2,800 square feet. It effectively maintains humidity levels in large rooms. Quiet operation ensures restful sleep without interruptions. Enjoy peace and tranquility. 3 mist modes provide customizable comfort for any environment. Whether at home, school, or office, adjust settings with ease. The Auto 180 degrees mist tube evenly distributes moisture throughout the space. List number: Air Care Space Saver Large Evaporative Hole Perfect for spaces up to 2,700 square feet. Its 6-gallon capacity ensures long-lasting moisture for large rooms. Digital controls make it user-friendly. The Auto Humidistat maintains ideal humidity levels without hassle. Automatic shutoff adds safety and peace of mind. Advantages: perfect for large spaces covering up to 2,700 square feet. Digital controls make operation simple and user-friendly. Auto Humidistat maintains optimal humidity without constant adjustments. List 5. Humidifier Large Room. Lacidol 16L/4.2 gallon Whole House Humidifier, 2,000 square feet. Designed for large spaces up to 2,000 square feet. This device ensures optimal air moisture levels. It operates quietly, perfect for maintaining a peaceful bedroom atmosphere. The aroma box adds a touch of freshness, enhancing your home's ambiance. Equipped with an extension tube, it offers customizable mist direction. Advantages: covers large spaces efficiently, perfect for up to 2,000 square feet. Enhances comfort with quiet, ultrasonic cool mist. Sleep peacefully. Includes an aroma box. Enjoy soothing scents throughout your home.